Well, this question says the light of which device will reach the screen faster? Is it A, light from a flashlight, B, light from a laser pointer, or is it C, they'll reach at the same time? So there's all sorts of differences between a flashlight and a laser pointer, although they both do emit light. So in A, in the flashlight, the main difference is that we have light being composed of multiple different wavelengths or multiple frequencies. So we're going to have some higher energy, some lower energy, some higher frequency, some lower frequency, and this translates to light composed of multiple different colors or multiple different energies. So not only will there be multiple types of light, but we'll also have this scattering of light. So rather than going in one direction, we're going to have light going in all directions or in many different directions. Now this is essentially opposite to B, the case of a laser pointer or a laser in general, because lasers are used to create a specific wavelength of light. So that's why when we buy a laser pointer, we see a red laser pointer or a green laser pointer. But not only is the wavelength or the energy fixed, but so is the direction. So again, you can see this single, highly directional beam of light, again, in comparison to the scattering of light or the radial emission of light from a flashlight. But in either case, we're talking about electromagnetic radiation. We're talking about light, which is always fundamentally the same, but will only differ in terms of these wavelengths or frequencies. So for that reason, we can just rely on a simple fact of the laws of physics, which is that the speed of light, often denoted c, which is roughly equal to 3.00 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Now, this is the speed of light in a vacuum, and the speed of light will change in different mediums. But in this situation, they're not changing mediums. We're in one medium. So we have the same speed of light. So while their energy might be different, and there might be multiple directions versus a single direction, the light will travel at the same speed, and therefore reach the screen at the same time. And therefore the correct answer is C.